Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be fishing down here at the river. We made a video here before. Yesterday I came, the water was barely running over, but we had a lot of rain overnight, and hopefully it's not a challenge to catch some fish. Hopefully we can at least catch a couple. Stay tuned. Oh, got him. Come here. Yes. On the chatterbait. It's a nice 1 pounder. Healthy guy on the chatterbait with the little swim bait. Daddy! Look! We got this guy down right here in the rocks, in the waters. Nice little guy. There he goes. Caught him on a little Z-Man chatterbait. Here's some more. The river zone came out here yesterday. The river zone rose like a foot. A bit of more stained water. I kind of put on, there's a lot of vibration, a big profile. That was my second bite. See, right here yesterday the water was barely running over. Got another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finally, another one. I don't know, 45 minutes since the first fish. Nice little guy. And we're gonna throw him back up here where he was. There he goes. That one hit in the exact same spot. On the Z-Man chatterbait. Starting to rain now. Got another one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, right there, the next cast. Boom. Got another good one. Look how he ate it. Just fell right out. Nice little 1 pound. Seem a little skinny. Maybe they're starting to turn on now that this rain's coming. Gonna throw them back over here again. It's 3 fish. That was right the next cast. See, there's some more. Hit it as soon as it hit the water. Maybe they're spooling up right here, maybe. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you right here where I was catching those fish at. I caught all 3 of my fish right here, and as you can see there's all those rocks right there, and the current's running right over those rocks, but those rocks extend about 6 or 7 feet out, and kind of halfway in between where these rocks are right here and the end of it, there's like a little hole in the middle, and I think those bass are positioning themselves against the current like this, because over here it's kind of like a flat. It's not really that deep over here, maybe like 4 or 5 feet, but I think they're facing against the current, and whatever little bait fish, brim or crawfish maybe that are floating down or getting pulled by the current, they're just sitting right there and they're eating it. You know, what I was doing was just casting my chatterbaits to that tree over there and just bringing it kind of at an angle, and all my fish came off pretty much the same little spot. And that's it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Just caught 3 fish, no giants today. It was good to come out, get out the fish before the river ends up getting real high with all this rain. Caught all this fish on a Z-Man chatterbait with the Yum Pulse swim bait, I think it is. I think that's what it's called. But tried other baits with no luck. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks.